Hi everyone, this is Sunny from Planeus. Welcome to Planeus Release 2601. Let's look at our new key features and how they improve your daily shop floor operations. In planning objects, multi-select scheduling gives you full control over high volume orders. You can set an explicit sequence ranking to each order item and weight factors such as customer priority or urgent delivery dates help you clear high value orders first, preventing bottleneck conflicts. For ongoing orders, it's now even more easier for planner to trace the production process. They can view updates on completed work steps and ongoing work steps, giving project managers a clear picture of multi-tier order process without the need to trace it on the Gantt charts every time. And when any issues hit on production order level, you can pause active orders at any point. When you unpause the order, you can adjust remaining quantities so your schedule reflects actual batch sizes without losing historical data. You can also change resources as well as change the start date, where this order will be start again. And in the resource Gantt chart, there's a new conflict count that appear directly on the resource bar. By clicking this conflict counters, it will jump you straight to the scheduling bottleneck. For example, here we're able to see two. First of all, we have the first one, and by clicking the other arrow, you go to the next conflict on this exact resource. And by toggling show actual quantity, you will see the live feedback directly on the timeline. Green for the yield and red for the scrap. Make it easier to see if an order needs a rerun before the shift ends. Now you can also monitor up to 6 resource pools to spot capacity bottlenecks early. You can customize the timeline for labels. You can see each and every pool and when is it overloaded, when it is not, so that you never lose your spot in the master schedule. Next, we have added two new logic blocks. The qualification metrics maps employee skills and machine capabilities in one central view. This helps dispatchers immediately spot who is qualified or which machine is qualified for high precision tasks or which skill gaps might stall production. And when you want to assign a machine resource to a new resource group, now you just have to click on this, and once this is selected and the task requires such resource group, this chosen resource will also be considered. We've redesigned dashboard, and now the dashboard offers fresh layout with two new operational metrics: OTIF to track delivery performance and scrap rates to monitor quality trends. You can also customize the data threshold quickly for your dashboard so you can alert managers when the estimated or the recorded APIs dips into area that you might have to worry about. And custom fields in the Workbench allow software operators to capture unique operational data, sizes, serial numbers, or batch checks directly in their terminal. That data will feed straight into your history logs if you have enabled that, and reports for production data. Something rather small but important, the list column width now is saved automatically to a user profile, saving people time from readjusting the ideal workplace every time you log in. And to reset the widths, just click here and you reset it to the original widths. And in reporting, your active filter presets will be saved automatically to your own user account, letting you jump straight into your daily reports or any reports that you have without reconfiguring these filters. In administration, the new license overview gives you a central snapshot of your active system. You can instantly see which feature you own and evaluate optional modules to decide if an upgrade fits you and your growing team. Under user rights, the old toggles like the expert role or plan anyway are gone. Now, you can freely set up different applicable user roles to ensure your planners and operators only have access to the exact tools they need, reducing configuration errors. Plus, you can now just import rules for order items directly in settings, giving process engineers the agility to adapt interface behavior without calling IT department for assistance. And that wraps up Planeus Release 2601. Thank you very much for watching.